Today, we are making beef brisket. This dish is inspired by my family's Shabbat dinners, and in many respects serves as the foundation of my love of food and is the reason why I became a chef.
In a large skillet on high heat, add 2 tablespoons of sunflower oil. Season your Canadian beef brisket heavily with salt and pepper. Sear your Canadian beef brisket until both sides are brown. When brisket is brown, add to a slow cooker or braising pan. In the same pan, add 1 tablespoon of sunflower oil and roast off 2 large quartered onions, 5 stalks of celery, 6 carrots cut into thirds, and 1 head of garlic halved until lightly caramelized. Pour the contents into the slow cooker or braising pan. In the same pan, add the 1/4 cup of golden raisins and deglaze with 6 tablespoons of red wine. Add a 1/4 cup of brown sugar, a 1/2 cup of ketchup, 1 liter of beef stock, 3/4 cups of red wine, 5 sprigs of thyme, 3 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of clove, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and 1 teaspoon of dill seed to the slow cooker or braising pan. Braise in a 300-degree oven or in the slow cooker until tender, minimum 4 to 6 hours. Once fork tender, allow to cool until easier to handle. Remove brisket and slice to desired thickness. Now it's time to plate. Add 2 slices of brisket into the center of the plate. Dress the plate with the vegetables and top with the glaze and garnishes.
And now, this brisket is ready for any special occasion.